Welcome back to another video of A&A Driving School. Today we are going to cover another test route from Huddersfield Test Centre. So let's follow. So I'm driving off from the test centre through the green gates. I'm turning right, check centre mirror, right mirror, I will signal right. Slow down, check left side, check right side, it's all clear, so I continue. Signal right again as I'm turning right, so get to the junction, check my right side is clear, check my left side is clear, and I continue with the turn. I've got parked cars on my side, so I'll keep the car in the middle of the road as I'm going past the parked cars. If there's an oncoming car, I would have to slow down as the car's parked on my side. This particular road is quite a busy road. You've got quite a lot of movement going on this road. You've got people, pedestrians crossing sometimes, pedestrians in the middle of the road sometimes. Sometimes people waiting in the middle of the road and talking. So you have to be alert, you have to be very careful when you're driving on this road. Person in the middle of the road, so slow down. I'm going to turn right, so check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Check my right side is clear, check my left side is clear, so therefore I don't need to stop, so I continue with the turn. This mini roundabout, I'm going straight ahead. Check my right side is all clear, so I continue. Approach another mini roundabout, I'm going straight ahead of there. Check my right side is clear, so I continue. Slow down, there's an oncoming car. Now move away from the parked car and I carry on driving. After I've gone past the parked car, I move back to my side. At the end of this road, I'm going to turn left, so I check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Now I will position my car towards the left corner. Check my right side, there's a car coming. After this car, the road is clear, so I continue. So I'm picking up speed, nice and steady to 30 miles an hour. This road, this bus lane on the left side, you are not allowed to use this bus lane. This is Leeds Road. Turning left here, so check mirror, signal left. From the right lane, I'm going towards the left now. Make sure you check over your shoulder to see if there's any bus on the bus lane. Turning left here. Junction, I'm turning left, so mirror check signal left. Check my right side is clear. Continue. So approaching this mini roundabout, I'm going to turn right, taking the second exit. So check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Check my right side, it's not clear, so I would stop. After this car is clear, so I go around the roundabout, following these arrows on the road, go around the roundabout and take this exit. On the mini roundabouts, you don't have to signal to give an exit signal. Oncoming car is pulled up into the gap on the right side, so I can continue with my drive. I'm going to follow the road to the left, so therefore I don't need to signal because I don't have any other option. On this junction I'm turning left, speed limit is changing to 40 miles and I have option of going right and left, so I have to signal left because to tell people that I'm turning left. The speed limit is 40 miles, so I'll start picking up speed nice and steady. A lot of learners get confused on this junction coming up at this traffic light because the left lane emerges into the right lane. They don't know which lane to choose. So I'd say you can choose the right lane and carry on driving in the right lane because the left lane emerges back into the right lane again anyway. So you might as well stay here as long as you keep up with the speed limit, which is 40 miles on this road. But now it's changing to 30 miles, as you can see with these signboards coming up on the left and right. The speed limit is changed to 30 miles, so drop my speed to 30 as well. Approaching the roundabout, we are going straight ahead, taking the second exit. So if you look at the whiteboard on the left side, you'll see a whiteboard with 2 lanes and arrows on it. You can choose, depending on which side you are going, you can choose your lane. In our case, we are going straight ahead, it's second exit. So the left lane goes straight, so we are going to stay in the left lane, but we don't need to signal as we are going straight ahead. As I'm approaching the roundabout, I quickly look at my right side. It's not clear, so therefore I will have to stop, so I will brake. If the right side was clear, I wouldn't need to stop, I would have just carried on. So I'm looking for a safe gap for me to move, and at the moment I have a safe gap on my right side, so I'll just continue with the drive. At this point I will signal left to tell people that I'm taking the exit at the roundabout. You guys might be confused because on the speed limit is changing to 40 miles, so I'll pick up speed. So as I was saying, you might be confused because on the mini roundabout I did say you don't have to signal exit, you have to give an exit signal. That's only on mini roundabouts. The reason is because on the mini roundabouts you don't have enough space to give exit signal. Because as soon as you go around the roundabout, you are almost halfway onto the new road where you want to go. So therefore the exit signal is not needed. Speed limit is changing to 30 miles, so drop my speed to 30. And I'm turning next left, so check center mirror, left mirror, signal left. And take this turning. And I continue with the drive. Check all center mirror, left mirror, right mirror to make sure it's safe for me to continue and there's no one overtaking me. There's a bend up coming up, so I'll drop my speed, slow down as I go around the bend. And I'm turning right at the end of the road, so check center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and I position my car, give a line to the right side, check both sides, it's clear. I continue with the turn. And at the junction at the end of this road I'm gonna turn left, so check center mirror, left mirror, signal left, position the car to the left side, check my right side is clear, continue. Car's parked on my side, so I move to the right a bit more, give plenty of room to the cars, and then move back to my side. So at the end of this road, I am going to turn left. So check center mirror, left mirror, wait for this turning on the left side, and now signal now left. Speed limit is changing to 40 miles. This car's coming from my right side, so I'll just wait. Remember guys, it's a 40-mile road, and when we move off we're going to be starting from 0 miles. So make sure you let the cars go first and then trying to come up. Don't need to rush, just wait. Wait for a safe gap. After this last car I have a safe gap, and now I move out. Person crossing the road, so slow down again. Now I can pick up my speed. Car parked on my side. So I move the car slightly over to the right line, over to white line, and after the last car I move back to my side. Roundabout we are going straight ahead, taking the second exit. Check my right side as I'm approaching is clear, so I don't need to stop, so I carry on. At this point I'm going to change the lane, check center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Safe for me to go and I keep going all the way to the right, and I'm turning right here. So as I'm approaching, there's no oncoming car, and I can continue with the turn. Speed limit is changed to 30 miles. So drive 30 miles. If you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for the next upcoming videos. Approaching the mini roundabout, we are going straight ahead. And also share the videos with family and friends who have tests coming up, so they can learn about the Huddersfield Test Routes. Second mini roundabout, we are going straight ahead, taking the second exit again. Slow down, check my right side is clear, so I continue. Another roundabout, mini roundabout coming up. We're going straight ahead again. Slow down, mirror check, center mirror, right mirror. Clear for me to go, continue. At the end of the road, turn left, mirror check, signal left. And then turn right at this junction. So at this mini roundabout, I said check mirrors, check center mirror, and then that's at the right. So I meant to check the center mirror because there was a car behind you, so we had to slow down. So therefore I wanted to check the center mirror so that I don't slow down too much for the car to crash into me. And it was the right side to make sure there was no car on my right side, so that I can continue with the turn. So turning right here. Check both sides. Clear for me to go. Turning next left, straight after this giveaway signs. But remember, first is the giveaway sign. So I will stop here at the giveaway lines, let the cars go, and I just double check if it's safe for me to go or not. Now it is safe, so I continue. Mirror check, signal left, and take the turn. Turn next right, mirror check, signal right. No oncoming car, so I continue with the turn, and then signal left. So you will be asked to pull up on the left side near the fence. So I'm going to pull up near the fence just behind the white van. There we go. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, please do drop me a message in the comment box and I will get back to you. Thank you.